Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where we practice real life English conversation to improve fluency and confidence. In today's video, I have special guest, my co-learner and friend Rahul. He is also learning English and working on self-growth. We will be having friendly English conversation on education and learning topic. So let's begin. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
So I'm great. Today I do the all activities and complete tasks. Then I will very good. How are you?
Yeah, I am also doing great. Thank you for asking. How was your day?
Yes, today is the very great because today's all scheduling tasks are completed and done. My day is great. That is
Okay. Rahul, could you introduce yourself?
yes. Sir, I am Rahul. I am from Karzat district, Nagar. Currently, recently I completed my bachelor degree in computer application in Dada Patel College, Karzat, under University Savitribai Phule, Pune. Right now, I joined the Girish Tech Up for improve my knowledge in Java full stack. My bachelor are completed in coding fields. In bachelor, I done my all languages and coding knowledge grow in coding language. But some weak point I develop for join the Girish Tech Up. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, Rahul, that's great. As you know, my name is Vivek. I born and raised in Latur, Maharashtra. I have completed my graduation BE Mechanical and I entered in IT field without passion and curiosity. And right now I am working in IT field. This was not easy, but consistent practice and consistent effort I made it. And in my free time, I like to read books, and I'm melancholic function. Melancholic because melancholic means I don't like to sing or play any kind of instrument. I just like to listen music. This is all about myself. Okay, okay, Ravi. We will start here. What is your favorite subject and why?
Yes, sir. My favorite subject is Java because every day I working on Java and I every day grow myself in Java. I like to work on a Java because sir, it is the fast language and it are used in so many used in so many developments application, small application or desktop application and it is the use in AI/ML and today market are demand this language. That's why I like the Java.
Yeah, definitely. Java really opens the door, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you prefer online or classroom learning?
Yes, sir. While I use both preparation, but now I join Giri Step Cup. Here I prepare the online form learning, but no any problem are created from online because it is the offline learning is the front learning, but online platform are now available to talk with who teach you at a time. That's why no any problem are created, but offline learning is good because when we create any problem then directly interact with teachers and solve them at a time, but online platform when we created problem or you not asked to teacher then it all repeated in your mind. That's why you how to solve, but nowadays very many platform are available search engines. You can search and find the answer of your problem. Then in online platform learning is one of good thing because it develop your searching ability and finding answer of this question.
Yeah, definitely too. Because online
Yes,
learning is so flexible, you know,
yes,
and offline is also good. Actually, in offline
yes,
we can focus properly in front of the teacher, right?
yes,
When
yes,
when we do online lecture as well, at that time we get disturbed because of some
yes,
noise.
yes,
Yeah, right.
yes,
That's it.
yes.
What is the most useful thing? you have learned?
Yes, nowadays I use the I learn the so many languages, coding languages, in that help me in real life to solve the problem and to maximum the big problem how to minimize and how to solve in small time. That's ability I will grow or improve and learn.
Yeah, because it's a very practical and that is very important nowadays,
Yes,
right?
yes, 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 sir. Yes.
Right. What motivates you to study?
In my study, motivation is the consistency and focus on my work because every day I will do the my best for my study and how to grow and how to achieve my small dreams. That's I focus that motivate me every day.
Yeah, consistency is very important in
Yes,
life, and that is a
yes,
more powerful motivation nowadays.
yes, yes.
If
That's
you have,
why yes,
yeah, if you have consistency, then you can achieve anything in your life, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Which teacher influenced you the most?
Currently, I joined the Giri's Take Up. The CEO of Giri Take Up is the my fluencer teacher because his teaching and ability of teaching and speaking with students, how to teach and how to able to understand in great, how to easily understand student real world example. That's why these teachers are the fluencer in my life.
Yeah, right. Nice. Because good teachers makes all the difference, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, that is a good answer. Have you ever participated in any competition?
Yes, yes. In my academic year, sir, in Dada Patel College, it are in the program of Ideas Avishkar. This is theme of this program. In this program, every student have a some idea. He represent in this program, and I was represent my idea how to use the AI in cyber security. That is my project title, and I participate in this project to I selfly motivation in this when I do this project, then I will selfly motivated and how to present yourself to in public. That's achievement are achieve the this achievement are gain for me.
Wow, that is a great way to gain confidence. Oh,
Yes,
that's good.
yes, yes.
Do you prefer learning through books or videos?
Yes, sir. I was prepare both side when I learned so many things from a online platform like a YouTube, Google, and now a AI tools. But in this platform, you are no deeply you are not gain deeply knowledge. But any point when you are like to achieve more deep knowledge, then I use the books and forever some things.
Yeah, books. Whenever you read books, use books, you will get clear message, clarity,
Yes,
motivation,
yes,
confidence.
yes,
And then videos also are very helpful. You know, if you want to
yes,
watch some content again and again, then you can watch that content. So video is
yes,
also very helpful, right?
yes, yes.
How do you handle exam stress?
Yes, because sir, in my academic or which I joining now, here I will every day do my study and I schedule the my study. Then every day I completed my small task or small chapters. Then I will not pressurize in exam time. That's why I not any problem are created in exam time. I do easily exam.
Okay, that's good tips. And staying calm is a key to handle the stress as well. You know,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
that is great. Yeah, what is the one thing you want to learn next?
Yes, now I learned in Java full stack because I knowledge about the core principles, but no knowledge deeply. That is the my next achievements, and I every day learn about that. In Java, Java is the big language, first language. Then I like to like recent currently I learn in Java to Spring Boot, and Hibernate. That's concept I learned.
Okay, that's a great goal, and keep going.
Yes,
Okay, you will get your destiny very soon. If you work hard, you will get everything, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so what do you do on weekends?
Yes, at a weekend, every weekend I do the my all every day in weekend every day I have a class. Then at a weekend I read my notes and what is new technology are launch in market in IT sector, because every day so many technologies are launched in IT sector. That's why which need which demand sectors. That's I learn at the weekend.
Okay, that's great, Rahul. And thank you
Yes.
so much for joining us. And it was really a fun and interesting conversation. And thank you
Okay.
so much, Rahul, for sharing your answers. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Now this time to wrap up the conversation. We have very short time, right?
Yes,
Okay.
thank you.
We will see you again in the next video, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
To everyone watching, we hope this video helped you to understand how to talk about learning and education. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more English conversation practice videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.